Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Hub by Mr. H, where we make math fun and easy. In this video, I will talk about one of the coolest formulas in trigonometry, and we call it the sine rule. This magical formula helps us find missing angles and sides in any triangle, not just right angle triangles. So stick around to master this must-know trick. So sine rule is a relationship between the size of an angle in a triangle and its opposite side. So basically, there are two cases when we should use the sine rule. So the first case is that when you are given two angles and one side, so it could be a side that is an included side or not included. The second case is when you know two sides and an opposite angle. So those are the information that you need. So the formula for this rule will be A divided by sine A equals B divided by sine B equals C divided by sine C. So you have to be careful with the letters. So the lowercase letters, so we have this three, they refer to the side or the length of the side. Okay, so you can see here from this triangle on the left, while the capital letters, you can see again from the diagram, they are the vertices. Okay, so when you say sine A, we're referring to A is the measure of the angle, right? So from this formula, you have here A divided by sine A. So basically, we're using so A is the side opposite angle A. And then we have B divided by sine B. So B, so they're opposites. The same goes for C. So like what I mentioned earlier, this formula works in any triangle, not just the right triangle. So if you ever need to find a missing angle or side, this is going to be your go-to formula. So to further understand this concept, let's take a look at an example. So we were given angle A, which is 61 degrees, angle B is 49 degrees, and A equals 10. So this is the side. And we are asked to find angle C, B, and C, which are the sides, okay? Now, for those of you who are visual learners, you can actually draw a figure first. Maybe for some it will help. So say this figure is not drawn to scale. Okay, so angle A is 61 degrees. So this is 49 degrees. And obviously we need to look for the measure of angle C. We were also given the opposite of angle A, which is side, which is 10. And this is B and C. And we need to find the measure of this 3 right here by applying the sine rule. All right, so first we can actually find the measure of angle C. Okay, so we were given the measure of angle A and angle B, and to find angle C, so we know that in a triangle, the measure of all the interior angles is 180 degrees, right? So since we were given two measurements, so that's going to be minus 61 degrees, minus 49 degrees, and the measure of angle C is 70 degrees. The next thing we can find is B. All right, so to find the length of the side, which is labeled B, we need to use this formula. So we have B divided by sine B equals information about A were complete. So we were given side, which is 10. So we can use A divided by sine A. And then we simply plug in the information. So B is missing, so that's what we're looking for. So we just leave it like that, divided by sine B. Okay, sine, so B is 49 degrees equals A is 10 divided by sine A. Sine A is 61 degrees, so we get 61 degrees there. And we can apply here cross product, right? B times sine 61 degrees equals 10 times sine 49 degrees. And to find B, we need to divide both sides by sine 61 degrees. So sine 61 degrees divided by sine 61 degrees is 1. So that's B equals to this whole thing right here. So if you enter all of this on your calculator, it's going to give you B equals 8.629002686. And from here, we can say that we can round it up to 2 decimal places. So depends on what the instruction is, but for this one, we can say that B is approximately equal to 8.63. So that's the second information we're looking for. And how do we find the length of side C? Let me write my solution here. All right, to find the length of side C, we can use the formula C divided by sine C equals, we can use again the information about A. You can actually use also information about B because we already got the length of side B and the measure of angle B is given. Either way, it's going to give you the same correct answer if you do the math right. So going back here, we need to plug in the values. So C is what we're looking for, so we just leave it like that, divided by sine C. So C is 70 degrees, right? So we get sine 70 degrees equals A is 10 divided by sine 61 degrees. Cross product again, so C times sine 61 degrees equals to 10 times sine 70 degrees. And then we divide both sides by sine 61. And then we'll have C equals to this. Now we need to enter that on the calculator. It's going to give you 10.74401381. And rounding it to 2 decimal places is going to give us 10.74. All right, what do you think of this example? So let me know and leave a comment below. And for now, it's your turn, so grab your pen and paper and answer this question. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more math tricks. But for now, I just want to say thank you for watching my video and supporting my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one.